Elite athletes have been hiding this for years. They don't talk about it publicly because they want to stay ahead. But I'm revealing it today. 5 exercises that build ridiculous muscle, better than any weighted workout. Your competitors are probably already using them. Are you? Let's dive in. Exercise 1, plyometric push-ups. This one is a game changer. You push yourself off the ground with explosive power, and your hands leave the ground. Clap, land, repeat. Why does this work? It's all about controlled explosiveness. You're using maximum force in minimal time, and this recruits way more muscle fibers than regular push-ups. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps absolutely explode with growth. The eccentric or lowering phase creates micro tears in the muscle fibers. These micro tears trigger muscle repair, and more repair means more muscle gain. Start with 5 to 8 reps and work your way up. Your results will speak for themselves. Exercise 2, pistol squats. One leg, full range of motion. This is brutal and incredibly effective. You're squatting on one leg while the other extends. Your quads are working overtime, your glutes are firing hard, and your core is completely engaged. Traditional squats use both legs and distribute the load, but pistol squats put all the load on one leg. That means double the intensity and double the muscle activation. Your stabilizer muscles are constantly working to prevent injury and build strength. Start with assisted pistol squats using a pull-up bar for balance, then progress gradually. Your legs will grow bigger and stronger. Exercise 3, handstand push-ups. Flip yourself upside down, now push. This is insane for shoulder development. Your entire upper body is loaded with weight as you're lifting nearly your full body weight against gravity, and no barbell is needed. Your shoulders experience extreme tension. Your triceps, your chest, and your core all work together. This builds functional strength, not just muscle size, real, usable strength. Start with wall-assisted handstand push-ups by keeping your feet against the wall, then lower yourself down and push back up. Even beginners see results in weeks, and your shoulders will be bulletproof. Exercise 4, muscle-ups. Combine a pull-up with a dip in one explosive movement. This is the king of bodyweight exercises. It demands serious strength. Your lats are pulling, your chest is pushing, and your arms are stabilizing all at once. You're doing 2 exercises simultaneously, and that efficiency is unmatched. 1 rep of a muscle-up equals multiple weighted exercises, so your time is spent wisely and your muscles grow faster. Box muscle-ups are a great starting point. Use a lower bar or box to build the movement pattern first, then progress to full muscle-ups. This exercise alone transforms your physique. Exercise 5, archer pull-ups. Regular pull-ups are good, but archer pull-ups are elite. You're at the pull-up bar. You pull yourself up, but you shift your body to one side. One arm is fully extended while the other is pulling hard. You're shifting that load unilaterally, creating massive asymmetrical strength. Your lats on one side work harder, your arms pull differently, and this creates imbalance in the best way. It forces adaptation where each side grows independently, giving you incredible back development. You'll notice the difference in weeks. Strength skyrockets and muscle size follows quickly. There you have it, 5 exercises that dominate traditional lifting. No barbells, no dumbbells, no excuses. Your body weight is all you need. Athletes use these for a reason because they work, they're efficient, and they're scalable. Start with 1 exercise, master it, then progress to the next. Your transformation is just 1 workout away. Don't wait. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more elite training strategies. See you in the next one.